Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE X95, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now, to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, kind of like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper right side of the phone, right here. Find the little insert pin, which is part of the tray, and push the pin in. As you can see, the tray comes out. From here, using your fingernail, just put it out. Once you pull it out, you have space on the tray for either two SIM cards. If you're planning to use dual SIM, just place one of the SIM cards sideways on the SD tray, there we go, like this. Now make sure that it's clipped in there correctly. It shouldn't be protruding from the tray whatsoever. And if you flip it over, it should not be falling out. Now I'm going to be planning to use one of each, so I'm going to move it over right here. And then I'm going to place my SD card. There we go. Like this. And from there, insert it back into the phone. The cards should start working right away. As you can see, SD card is already working, and it's looking for reception right now, so let's give it a second. And it just found it. So there we go. So anyway, this is how you insert your SIM and SD card into this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.